What's up? Trey Brooks here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to do another dial session here. I'm calling 8-month to 2-year-old leads and about 3-month to 10-month-old leads as well. They're fresh leads, so I haven't dialed them yet, which normally I get a better turnout on setting appointments and people who pick up the phone who I talk to. So enjoy this one. Listen to my phone script. Shoot me in the chat if my phone script sucks or where you would be better at. But here we go. About to start my first dial session right now.
Hello.
Hey, Kenneth.
Yes, sir.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you and Amy. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
Yeah, man, I already didn't tell y'all that damn I wasn't going to do this, and y'all keep calling.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just said, hey, we don't work for the same company, because he was like, y'all keep calling me. He probably filled out multiple forms. That's why people keep calling him, because I'm the first person from my company to call him. He said, sorry. I said, sorry to call you at a bad time. What changed your mind? Was it the price? Thanks, Kenneth.
Hello.
Hey, Kimberly.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Good, Trey. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
I already have it now. Thank you, though.
Okay, no worries. Can I ask a question before you go? Did you go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
Hello.
Hey, Hildred.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good. Yourself?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you and Connie for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Oh yeah, I'm not interested in that. I was just kind of exploring it at the beginning of the year, but financially, I'm just not in a position to do it. So you can just take me off your list.
Okay, yes, sir. And can I ask a question before you go?
Yeah, sure.
Was it too expensive, the person you spoke with previously?
Say it again.
Was it too expensive, the person you met with previously?
Well, I talked to several people, but the estimate's all about the same. But yeah, at this time, I've got some personal things going on. I'm not in a position to do anything.
Okay, yes, sir. Do you know how much they were quoting you?
I don't want to go through all that. I'm just not in a position to do anything at this point.
Okay, I understand that completely. Is there a time where I can follow up with you in the future?
I wouldn't, because it's not anything I'm going to be taking action on.
Okay, never again? He's pretty old, so I understand that. He's in his 50s. He's 72 or so it's probably pretty expensive even for mortgage protection. But I mean, he has a pretty expensive mortgage, so.
Hello.
Hi, Nimnuel.
Who's calling?
Hi, my name is Trey. How are you?
That's not what he said here.
Say it again.
That's not your name.
My name is Trey Brooks.
What do you need, hon?
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and did I catch you at a bad time? I didn't want to take up your time here.
Well, anytime is bad time. I mean, while you got me on the phone, you just go ahead and talk to me,
Okay, yeah, of course. So I'm I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form you filled out for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
What protection?
Mortgage protection. It would pay off your house if you passed away, got disabled, or if you were sick.
I don't remember anything like that now.
No worries. It may have been a while back. I just sent you a picture of this as your cell phone.
Mm. So what does have anything to do with anything, though?
So it's just my job to give you the information that you were requesting. I just sent that picture over. Let me know if you got it. So it would just pay off your house in event of death or disability, or if you got sick with a terminal illness or something that puts you where you weren't able to pay bills or anything. Take care of your estate.
Oh, well, no, I don't remember, I mean, everything is already been insured and everything. I got people that, if something would happen to me, everything go to this person, that's it. I mean, if I can't work, I got, I'm on Social Security and pension, so.
Yep, I saw that here. You put that you were retired. So you already have it taken care of, is essentially what you're saying. So if you passed away, your house would be paid off, or who would it go to?
My house is already paid off.
Oh, okay. Sorry, my information might be outdated. It said you had a loan on it for $126,000.
Well, I mean, between then and now, I mean, you can pay things off early,
Yeah, shoot,
It's been paid for. That's made the wheel out.
I need your pension, man. If I could pay off my house that fast, that'd be good. I need that for my student loans.
I got 401k saved up. I got $500,000 in 401k, and I was going to use that to pay other bills, but I went ahead and paid my house off. So my house is paid for, so I already made the will out to this friend of mine. So, I mean, that's it.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty smart. Why did you keep your money in the 401k? You didn't want to make it into an annuity so you could make some money on it?
I'm not going to live long enough to spend all that money. I don't own but about $110,000 on my house. I got $580-some thousand in my 401k, and so I paid that off. And I mean, I got Social Security and pension. I draw that every month. So what is already in my 401k is already in there. So I can't spend all of that, plus my pension. So I got. I got income coming in, so the money is in 401k. It's there. I'm not going to take it out like every payday. So what I'm saying is my money is my money, so I will do what I'm going to do. So there's that.
Yep, that makes sense to me. But it sounds like you got it pretty much taken care of. We could help you out with an annuity in your 401k. I'm not sure if you've seen the interest rates lately. Well,
annuity?
You can change your 401k into an annuity.
Oh, no. I can't change my 401k. It's already in the bank, and my financial advisor is taking care of that. I ain't going to change it for nothing.
Really? Financial advisors are pretty expensive.
Well, it doesn't matter how much it costs. I mean, that's my money. I pay them to do that. I mean, it doesn't matter how expensive it is. It's not your money. Is that right? I mean, you telling me how to spend my money now?
No. I was just suggesting a way for you to earn more money, but you said you can't spend it all anyway, so it's okay.
I don't need to earn any more money. I got more money now that I can pretty much live very comfortable.
Yep, that's what I've understood.
And tell me to change my 401k.
Of course. But since you got it all taken care of, you can just have a good rest of your day, all right?
Hello.
Hey, Pam?
Yeah.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you and Rory. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
We already have that insurance.
Okay, no worries. That's good. You guys got it taken care of. Can I ask a question before you go?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know if it was... Did you meet with one person, or did you shop around a little bit?
We shopped.
Okay, that's pretty smart. So do you know if it was the new kind or the old kind? The new kind, you have living benefits, meaning if you get sick or disabled, you can access the money before you pass away. The old kind, you can only get it if you passed away.
It's the new kind.
Okay, that's great. And I can update your file here. Do you know which company it was?
GPM.
GPM. Okay. And that was for the full loan amount, or
It was twice. It was more than the loan amount.
okay, so okay. Now, does that cover you for accidental only, or for any?
Is it what?
Does that cover you for accidental only? Sometimes when I see.
No, it's
Okay.
not accidental. It's a whole life policy. I don't really need any other insurance.
Yep, I was just updating your file here. No worries. That's good that you got a whole life policy. Those are pretty good. So last question I have here for you. It only takes 15 minutes of your time. If I could show you how to save some money, would you be interested in doing so on your policy?
No.
Okay, no worries.
I'm happy where I am.
Hey, that's good. I'm glad you got taken care of. I saved my last family $400, so I always throw it out there. But enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hello,
Hey, Terry.
this is Terry.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. So I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received. It may have been a while back, but you filled it out. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Yeah, I'm not interested.
Okay. Yeah. Always send them a text if I can't say another word. Hey, Terry, sorry to catch you at a bad time. Just looking to update your file here. Was it too expensive? Or what changed your mind since filling out the form? Thanks.
Hello.
Hey, Samuel.
Free Medicare benefits checkup today. Just call it. Who is this?
Hey, Samuel, this is Trey. How are you today?
All right. Trey with who?
I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Probably.
It would pay off your home if you passed away, got disabled, or if you got a critical or terminal illness.
Okay. Tell me about it.
So pretty much I'm just calling to give you the information that you requested for that benefit amount. I see your loan is about $50,000. Was that a refinance or was that the purchase of your house?
No, the balance of the loan is about $155,000.
Okay, so I got it from, maybe you did a HELOC or something, because that's what I got this form from.
Well, I never said I had a balance of $50,000.
Oh no, that's from the form says $50,000. That's where I got that number from.
Okay.
From Truist Bank. Now, is that something you already got taken care of, or is that information you're still looking to receive?
What you mean from Truist? You got the information from Truist?
Yeah, is this your cell phone number? I'll send you a picture of it.
What Truist is probably talking about, that's just a line of credit.
Okay, yeah, so that's what I got it from, and then you filled out this form because it looks like it was done in your handwriting. I just sent it over to you, so maybe that will help refresh your memory.
Okay. You texting it?
Yep, it should have been delivered right now.
Okay.
So essentially, it would just protect your total loan amount. It could protect just your line of credit or your home in general if you passed away or got disabled or if you got sick of some sort.
Okay.
And so that's your information there.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, that's yeah, line of credit. That's all that is.
Oh, okay. Okay. That makes sense. That's why I figured, because it was such a low amount.
Yeah.
So if that's something that you're looking to get taken care of, I have a few time slots available this evening, so I can go over the information that you qualify for.
But tomorrow will probably be better. What time is it? About 4:30 tomorrow.
Okay, so let me put down 4:30 p.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow's date is the 31st. And then your date of birth is,
Correct.
okay. And then about what is your height and weight?
5'8", 175 pounds.
All right, and are you a smoker?
No.
Okay. And then what you said your mortgage amount is about $150,000. Do you want to cover that full amount or just the line of credit?
Well, give me both options.
Okay. Yeah, I normally break it down from like your full mortgage, and then I'll tear it down to maybe like 100,000, or I'll do like 150, 100, and then 75,000. Does that sound good?
Okay.
And then about how much do you pay per month for your home?
$940.
Okay, that's not too bad. And then last question here. Have you ever had a heart attack, stroke, or cancer?
No.
What about diabetes, COPD, or high blood pressure?
I got.
So I'll just put control.
I go to the doctor every. I'm a veteran, military vet.
Hey, where'd you serve, or what branch did you serve with?
Air Force.
Air Force. Hey, that's the best one, I think. Thank you for your service.
I go just check up every 4 months.
Okay, that's pretty good. But I won't need the other information unless we find something that's within your budget, which I'll go over to you tomorrow night.
Okay.
Once we fill out the application takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and then that's when I'd need just the medications there. But tomorrow I'll just be showing you what you qualify for, and then we'll go from there. Does that sound fair?
Super. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I'll shoot you a text message with the appointment time.
Okay.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, on to the next one. The guy was super friendly. He sounded very healthy for his age. He's in his late 70s, I believe, so options are going to be kind of tight. Maybe we can find, I don't know, it's going to be difficult. But we'll see. He seems somewhat interested, so we'll get that put together here later tonight for him. But I got probably about 50 more calls to make, so let's keep rolling.
Hello?
Hey, Lucretia.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you in Carlton. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
We already have that
Okay,
currently.
great. Can I ask a question before you go?
Mm-hmm.
Did you shop around before you met? Did you shop around, or did you just go with the first person you met with?
No, we shopped around like 5 different people.
Okay, that's great. Do you know who you got your coverage with?
My husband knows, not I.
Okay, no worries. I was just seeing if I could save you guys some cash. I just saved my last family $400, but I'll try to give him a buzz here. His phone number is 0963.
Correct.
Okay, I'll try to get in touch with him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Hey, this is Trey.
Hi, how are you? I have 2 missed calls from this number.
Yes, let me try to get you back pulled up here.
Well, what is this? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
For what is that? Sorry.
So, mortgage protection would pay off your home if you passed away or got disabled. This is Maria.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, so I got it from you and Christine, Jose, and you put your phone number down as a contact person. I just sent you over a picture of it so you can remember. Do you know if you guys got that taken care of yet?
No, I don't know what is that actually.
Okay, yeah, so I just sent it. So it'd pay off your home if you who pays the mortgage, you or your husband?
My husband.
So if your husband passed away and you weren't able to pay the mortgage, that's what this is for. So we would pay off your mortgage for you. So you wouldn't have to worry about that bill or having to move houses or whatever might, or even if you got disabled or if you got sick.
Oh, okay.
So that's your information there? I just sent the picture over to you.
Yeah, I see that. Let me speak to honey. I'll call you back, okay?
Okay, thank you. All right.
Hello?
Hey, Pam.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received. It looks like you filled out a while back. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Oh, yeah, I have it already.
Okay, great. Can I ask a question before you go?
You may.
Did you go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
I shopped around.
Okay, that's great. Do you know what carrier you went with?
I went with GPM.
Hey, you know what? That's a popular one today. GP. And that's the second person. I haven't heard of that company before today. And you're the second person I spoke of today, so I got to do some research on them. The reason I asked is my last family, I was able to save them $400 a year, which...
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
No worries.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, I don't know what this company is, GPM. I haven't heard of them before.
It's Nathan.
Hey, Nathan. This is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good.
Hey, I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I got from you and Allison for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
Yeah, no, we're not interested.
Okay.
You're not going to be able to cover me or at a sufficient level. So
Can I ask a question before you go?
Yeah.
What hindered you from getting coverage before? Is it a medical condition?
Yeah, I'm actually on disability right now. But what happened was when we bought this house, I was getting all this mail about it. And it's like, all right, well, let me reach out. But I've had two other people, and what you guys can cover. I have sufficient coverage, but it was just kind of a nice to have. So
Yeah.
I actually have a rare disease. I have a rare disease, and I'm already on disability. So.
Okay, they were probably showing you what, for like $30,000 in coverage.
Yeah, which is not worth it.
Yeah. So you got a pretty nice house there, so that makes sense. But would it make sense to cover Allison, or are you the primary bill payer?
No, we've got sufficient life insurance and everything on that, so we're in good shape.
Hey,
it was one of those things that they're sending me mail out the wazoo. It's like, all right, well, let me see what they can do. And I kind of knew what the answer was, but I appreciate the phone call.
Yep, yes, sir. Thank you, Nathan. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
All right, thanks. All right, bye-bye.
No need to waste my time with there. He's already gotten the song and dance. No, he can't gets coverage besides final expense. He doesn't want it, so I'm not going to try to sell it to him, too. Hey.
Hello?
Hey, Derek?
Yes, sir.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm doing just fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I got from you and Meredith for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
I like a long time ago.
Yeah, sometimes my company's kind of slow getting me these forms. We've been helping a bunch of families, so we get backed up. Did you get it taken care of?
Yeah, we decided we're just not gonna worry about it because I got more than enough life insurance. If something happens, everything will be taken care of.
Okay, no worries. Who do you have your life insurance with?
I don't even remember the name of the company. I know my wife got one several years ago on me. Then work gives us one that they paid for it. It's one of the benefits we get.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Do you know if it was a term or a whole life policy?
I don't know. I don't even know the difference. I just noticed that if something happens to me, they'll get a good amount of money. So I'm like, that's what I need.
Yeah, hopefully she's not wishing for it.
Yeah, I hope not either.
Right. But all right, Derek. There's nothing. I don't think I can help you out. But enjoy the rest of your day. All right.
All right, have a good one.
Take care. So I mean, I really should have asked more questions about his policy, but since his wife took care of it, and I don't have her contact information, kind of makes it hard because he doesn't know anything to transition to doing a policy review, just to see what they have. Because I mean, he could just have accidental plus his work policy, which work policies aren't that great, but you never know. But it was just didn't really know how to transition into doing that policy review. Plus, since he got it a while ago, it'll be pretty hard for them to change.
Hello?
Hey, Renee.
Yes?
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Trey who?
My last name is Brooks, but I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you and Ray. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
We already got it.
Okay,
We're fine.
no worries. That's good you got it taken care of. Can I ask a question before you go?
Yeah?
Did you go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
We went with the first person that called us back because they were the only ones that did call us back and the only ones that was very reasonable.
Hey,
And so we won't. So nobody else called us back, so we went for them.
that makes sense. I apologize for my company being so slow with this. We've just been pretty busy. But the reason I asked is I'm a broker, so I have access to 20 different carriers, which probably means I should be able to save you guys some cash on your policy. It's kind of like car insurance.
Right. And my best friend is a broker too, so if push to shove, we'll go with her.
Okay, no worries. But yeah, that should definitely be something you guys take a look at to see if you guys can get a better rate. But if your best friend is a broker as well, definitely I would highly recommend you check that out.
Yeah, so we're fine. We're good.
All right, thanks, Renee.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Barry.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good, man. How about you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty well. Thank you for asking. So I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you. It looks like it was a while back. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Yeah, but I'm good right now, man. I'm holding on for it, man. I ain't even at home, man.
Yes, sir. Can I ask a question before you go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Was it too expensive at the time, or what changed your
Well,
mind?
I don't even know. I don't even know what the price was at the time. You know what I mean? I was inquiring about it because I wanted to get into it. I wanted to get a quote. Then I was going to determine if it was too much or not. I don't even know how much it is for mortgage protection, to be honest with you.
Yes, sir. Well, since you're busy right now, do you have a better time that we could circle back to this?
Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably around 3:00.
Okay, let me put that note down in your file here. And are you pretty healthy? You sound pretty good.
Well, I'm healthy, man. It just sometimes it's good. You never know the way people killing people nowadays.
Yeah, it's pretty scary, especially with all this news going on with Russia and China and who knows who else.
Right. I'm in Georgia.
Yeah.
I'm from New Jersey. I didn't even know that they had carry a damn gun down here.
Yeah, I'm here in the city of Atlanta, so I always have to keep mine with me because you never know, these people are crazy.
Yeah, so
But
get me one, but
last question here. Go ahead.
I said to myself, it might be better if I just get some insurance in case something happens to me. Why am I worried about it? Pay off. You know what I mean?
Yep. Take care of your wife, take care of your kids, take care of everybody.
Sell the house and all that. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. But last question here for you. Have you ever had a heart attack, stroke, or cancer?
No, man.
What about diabetes, COPD, or high blood pressure?
I am a disabled doctor.
Okay. Are you on any medications? That will throw a wrench in it, but I'm a broker, so I have access to 20 different companies, so I should be able to still give you some quotes and get you guys taken care of.
Okay.
But you said what time again tomorrow?
Give me like 3:30, 4 o'clock.
3:30. Okay. So let's shoot for.
If you call and I don't answer, I might think it's somebody else. I might get the bathroom. Just leave a message and I'll probably call you back in 5 or 10 minutes.
Is this your cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll send you my digital business card so you can see my face, you can see my state license, and then my phone number, email's all there, so you get me locked in. All right, Barry, enjoy the rest of your day. At 3:30 tomorrow, I'll give you a ring.
All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Cool. So opening up that question, hey, can I ask you a question before you go? Transitioned me into the rest of the phone call because he was trying to get off the phone, and he was like, oh, no, I'm busy right now, can't talk. I'm busy right now, can't talk. And I asked him the question. I asked him the question and engaged the rest of the conversation. So he's never even seen quoting before, so he doesn't even know if it's something that he's not interested in or is interested in. So tomorrow my challenge will be, one, to see if he can get approved because of what his medical situation is going on. Two, find a price point that works for him. His mortgage is he lives in a nice house, so his budget might be a little bit higher than most, but my job is just to get him covered and something that's comfortable for him. I don't want to stretch him out, wring out his budget. Just want to get something that will be in place for him at the time of his death or further disability, or if he gets sick or something. But yeah, that was a pretty good phone call, I thought. And second appointment for tomorrow, we got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14 more leads, so 28 more calls to go. And hopefully I can book 2 more appointments.
Hello.
Hey, Ronnie.
Yep.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm well, thanks.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I got back from you and Annie. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
It's from what?
It was for mortgage protection. It would pay off your home if you passed away, got disabled, or sick.
Right. Yeah, I do.
Okay, did you guys get that taken care of?
No, I can't afford any type of payments right now.
What'd they quote you before?
I really didn't go through it because I couldn't afford any payments, so it was just me going through with it because no matter what it is, if it's not very minimum, I cannot afford anything right now. I'm trying to restructure some things.
Yeah, hey, I hear that. I'm trying to do the same thing, but looking at your age, for something to get minimum, we would be looking at like an accidental policy, and that normally goes from like $20 a month all the way up to maybe like $40 a month, and you could probably cover your whole mortgage for that amount there. But that's towards my
accidental death policy?
Yes, sir.
That's not mortgage protection.
Yeah, so the money would go to your mortgage if you passed away. It would go to your beneficiary.
If I pass away by an accident, that's when you would get payments, right?
Yeah, so that's like
die of natural. Right, but if I die of natural causes, that's no payout.
Correct. So that's why it's so cheap. But for your age, that's where a lot of people are passing away from slips and falls. So that's why I recommended it. And plus, it's pretty cheap. But for other coverage, it'd be closer to $100 or so.
Yeah, and I can't afford that. I don't think I need accidental. I don't think I'm gonna slip and fall and die. I don't think.
You never know with car accidents or anything, but yeah, I understand that completely.
Say it again. I'm sorry.
No, I was just saying I understand you. Nobody really expects to pass of an accident, so that makes sense.
Right. Right, and I already got life insurance, so but I got life insurance, but it's not enough to cover the mortgage. That was my only concern. So I was just saying how much it would cost. But right now, I can afford it. If it was $25 a month, I would probably do that. But I don't like. I'm not too keen on accidental life insurance.
Well, look at this. Since you're already covered for a payout, right? It gives Annie whatever. So you said it can't cover the mortgage, right? $72 a month, which is kind of expensive for that. Plus, he's already covered and didn't want it anyway, so I was hoping it would be a little bit cheaper and maybe I could get him, but all good. Gotta try. What's up, Trey Brooks? Back at it again here yesterday. I didn't get to finish my dial session. I only got about 47 dials in, 15 contacts, and 2 set appointments. So not terrible day, but pretty low volume. I normally try to hit 150 dials a day at least and shoot for 4 appointments. But I got 2 appointments today here in the next 3-4 hours. So I'm going to finish up. I got 2 more kind of old leads left. They're between 10 months and 2 years old. And then I'll have some 3-month to 10-month-old leads. So those ones I like a little bit better. They're just a little bit more expensive, so it's hit or miss because sometimes they've already got coverage and they're not interested in shopping around. But hopefully I can find someone who's slipped through the cracks and hasn't gotten coverage yet, and I can get them booked up. But here we go. Let's see.
Hello?
Hey, Peggy.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm fine. What can I do for you?
Hey, yes, ma'am. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that?
Yeah, but I've already talked to somebody and I can't afford it. So
Okay. How much did they?
Calling.
Yeah. Yes. How much did they quote you?
Yeah.
I would send them a text, but it sounded like a regular phone, like a home phone or a work phone. There was a lot of noise in the background. I heard the phone actually go down like into the holder. So I don't think I can text this person. Which I don't know what she said. It was too expensive. Which I mean, we have plenty of options to get around that. I mean, we can just go accidental, or we do something super cheap coverage like $50,000. But since I can't text her and she hung up, I'm not gonna call her back. She's just gonna ignore me. Start off with 2 no's, so just lean towards our next yes.
Hello?
Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Man, I'm just standing. Thank you.
Hey, yeah, that's good. The weather got cold on us here, but doing about the same. But I'm calling. I received a form from you. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember doing that? It would pay off your house if you got disabled or if you got sick.
I'm on disability now.
Okay, so yeah, it would pretty much pay off your house if you passed away, if you got like terminally sick, like cancer or kidney disease or something like that.
I was in renal failure. I just got a transplant.
Okay, how are you doing?
I am just peachy.
Hey, that's good to hear. I'm glad you're recovering.
Thank you.
Well, Michael, is this something that you're still interested in getting taken care of? Well, who are you looking to protect? Can I ask that?
Man, no one's gonna cover me. I just had a liver and kidney transplant.
I mean, I've helped customers who've had kidney transplants, who have diabetes, who have PTSD, all sorts of different things. So there's always I'm a broker actually, so I have access to 20 different carriers. So it's normally something that I can help you out with, no matter what's going on.
Well, as of right now, I mean, I'm not interested.
Okay. And
I have too much going on right now, man.
Okay, no worries. I can understand that completely. You sound like you've been going through a lot. Is there a time in the future where I can follow up with you? Maybe a month from now?
That's a right time. Thank you.
All right, no worries, Michael. Take care.
All right, thank you.
He just sounded like he was scared to try. I mean, maybe he's tried before and got denied. I think that's what it seemed like. But I mean, customer like that with who has some stuff going on, we'll just send them to a final expense policy, a guaranteed final expense, and then accidental death, and they'll be covered pretty well. But I'm not going to sit there and fight with him if he doesn't want it, doesn't want to take a chance, then not a customer.
Hello.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm doing all right.
Hey, I feel you there. So I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you and Sue. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
We've already got that taken care of.
Okay, congratulations. That's good you took it serious. Can I ask a question before you go?
Who's it with? I don't know if she took care of it.
No. Did you shop around, or did you go with the first person you met with?
We shopped around a little bit.
Okay, that's pretty good. But Sue took care of it. Do you know if there's a time where I could talk to Sue to see if I can save you guys some cash on your policies? Kind of like car insurance, you know, you can always get a better rate.
I don't know. She's extremely busy. It's in a month, so I don't know. We're good with it.
Okay, no worries. Thank you, Jim. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hey, Lasha.
Hey,
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
how about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was calling you about a form I received from you. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
I don't need it, thank you.
Hey, Yushanda.
Yes,
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm good.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you and Darian about mortgage protection. Did you guys get that taken care of?
I've talked to I don't know how many people, and I keep getting text messages, more phone calls than I would like since we have moved into this house.
I'm so sorry.
Well, and I don't know how many times I can keep telling people to stop calling us about this.
Yeah.
I don't even know where this came from. We just started getting random stuff from companies when we closed on the house. So, I mean, if you could and pass it on to whoever else that we are not interested, please.
Yeah, I can definitely update your file on my end now. I know the other people, just depending on how many forms you filled out, are going to continue to call you.
I don't even know what these forms consisted of.
I can send you a picture of it so you can see what it was, because there's a lot of paperwork you probably filled out when you were buying your house, and I'm sure you just filled it out and just because you weren't sure what it was or something. That's pretty common. There you go. I just sent it over to you. But yeah, you must have scanned it and then filled it out online and put the information in there. So I'm sorry. Ever since they allowed outside, like out-of-staters to call Georgia people, it's been a headache for me, my business as well, because I'm here local in Atlanta.
Yeah.
So I just sent you that over, and I'm sorry that so many people keep bugging you.
That's okay, because I mean, it just nobody ever says what company they're from. It's just all the same. I'm an underwriter with blah blah blah, and that's about it.
Yeah. So me personally, I'm a broker, so I have access to like 20 of the top companies here in the United States for insurance, essentially. So I work with, depending on people's health conditions and stuff, and I just shop around, get them the best price and the information that they requested. But some people aren't brokers, so they have to work with one product. But thankfully, I get to shop them all. But yeah, if this is something that you're not interested in right now, I completely understand. But if there's sometime in the future where you would like to make sure your house is taken care of and everything, I'd love to be able to help you out since we are both here in Georgia.
Okay.
But enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll update
Thanks.
your file here.
Bye-bye.
Close. I thought I was going to convince her into it. But I'll just send her over my business card as well. I got a digital business card that I'll send her.
Hello.
Hey, Robert.
Yep.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you doing today?
Fine. How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was
Right.
giving you a call about a form I received from you and Kathy for mortgage protection.
Yeah, we've already taken care of that, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yes, sir. Can I ask a question before you go?
Hello?
Hey, Tiffany.
Yes,
Hi, my name is Trey. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you and Brian for mortgage protection. Did you guys get that taken care of?
Yes, we did.
Okay, no worries. Since you got it taken care of, can I ask a question before you go? What did you guys go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
Oh, we shopped around.
Okay, that's pretty good. So you guys probably got a pretty good quote. Do you know the company you went with?
No, I can't think of it off the top of my head.
Okay. Would you know how much you pay per month?
37 for me, and my husband like 50, something like that. I can't remember.
Oh wow! Now, does that cover you for accidental, or what does that cover you for? That's pretty good price.
Yes,
Okay. So you were aware that you're only covered if you pass of an accident, correct?
yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure you knew that because some people don't disclose that information. But that's good that you guys got it taken care of. But yeah, if you guys are interested in getting full coverage, then that's something I can help you out with. I'm a broker here in Georgia, so I shop 20 different companies on your behalf, just to add to that accidental coverage to give you coverage if you passed of natural causes.
Okay. I sure will. Definitely keep you in mind. Hello?
Hey, Dennis.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Oh, pretty good.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you. It looks like it was for mortgage protection. Did you get that taken care of?
Yeah, that's all taken care of. That was a long time back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't need anything else.
Okay, no worries. Can I ask a question before you go?
Okay.
Did you go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
I shopped around.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day.
Hey, Camila.
Can I help you?
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm all right. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. So I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you and Johnny about mortgage protection. Did you guys get that taken care of?
Not yet.
Okay. Is that something
I'm in the process of trying to handle my dad's affairs. He just passed away, and I really don't even have time right now.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I apologize, and I give you my condolences for your loss there. That has to be pretty stressful. Is there a time where I can follow up for you that will be a little bit better?
Maybe give me a week or two.
Okay. So I'll set it in your file. I'll try to give you a buzz next week, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night. I mean, since she's dealing with that with her parents, she should be a pretty good candidate. I mean, she obviously knows what's going on right now and how stressful it is. So that could be a building block right there. But hopefully I can get in touch with her next week.
It's Rusty.
Hey, Rusty, this is Trey giving you a call back from last week.
Hey, Trey, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good.
Good. So we spoke last about the mortgage protection. I was just looking to reset our appointment that we had.
Well, I talked to my wife about that, and we decided we're not interested. But I appreciate your follow up.
Okay, yeah, of course, of course.
Thank you.
What were the concerns there with Rachel?
Just economically right now, it's not a good time for us, so we're just gonna stay doing what we're doing.
Okay.
I appreciate you called up.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
No worries. Take care.
Hello?
Hey, Angela.
Yes?
Hey, this is Trey following up with you from last week. We spoke last about the mortgage protection. I was just calling to see if that's something you want to put in place.
No, I think I quite changed my mind about that.
Okay. What concerns did you have? Was it the cost or?
A little bit of everything. I'm just not sure about it right now.
Okay. Well, since you're not sure, it's probably me not giving you enough information. So, is there more information I can provide for you?
Not right now.
Okay. No worries, Angela. Thanks again. And is there a time in the future where you may circle back to this? Maybe a month out from now?
That'll be fine. About a month out.
Okay. I'll set your file here. But thank you. So that was an appointment I had. Went through the appointment, and she said she's going to sign up the next day. Ghosted, but she picks up the phone every time I call. The second time I called, and we'll see what happens in a month. I'm not sure what's going to change. Didn't get to really ask that, but it sounds like she did hang up the phone. So,
Hello?
hey, Patricia.
Yes?
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Fine.
Hey, so I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I got this form.
Okay.
I got this form from you. It looks like you may have filled it out a while back. It was for mortgage protection. Do you remember filling that out?
Probably, but I already have mortgage protection now.
Okay, that's great. Glad to hear that you took it pretty serious. Now, do you know if it was the old kind or the new kind? The old kind, you can only get the money if you pass away. The new kind, you can get the money if you get disabled or if you get sick.
That's the one I have.
Okay, perfect. And then can I ask one more question before you go?
You can, but I'm driving, so if I have to look for something.
No, none of that. Did you go with the first person you met with, or did you shop around a little bit?
I shopped around a little.
Okay, no worries. The reason why I asked is I'm an underwriter, or I'm a broker here in Georgia, and so I have access to 20 different companies, so I can normally get better rates. It's kind of like car insurance. So
No, I shopped around. I didn't stop at the first one because I'm cheap.
Yeah, I understand that. How much? Do you know how much you pay?
Not right now because it's automatically drafted from my account.
Oh yeah, that's
and I can't see it, so I don't know. Like I said, I'm driving.
Yeah.
It's hard to say.
Well, is there a time where I can catch you when you're not driving to see if I can save you a little bit more?
Probably after 6 o'clock.
Okay, perfect. So I'll try to get back in touch with you after 6 o'clock tonight. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Thank you, Patricia. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Take care.
Bye.
Hello?
Hey, Melinda.
Yes.
Hey, this is Trey giving you a call back from last week. We spoke last about the mortgage protection.
Yes, sir. I've been sick and I just don't feel like talking right now. I've got shingles and I'm just not in the mood right now, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am. Hope you get better soon. I'll talk to you later this week or something, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Do I send her a text? I think so. Hello, this is Trey.
Oh yeah, I missed a call from this number.
Hey, yes. Let me get you back pulled up. Is this Lauren?
Yes.
Hey, how are you doing today? My name is Trey.
Hey, I'm doing okay, Trey. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I see you're in real estate. What do you do?
I actually work for a real estate company, and they're basically technology spinoff.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. That's
It works.
yeah, that's cool. So I was giving you a call. I'm an underwriter in Georgia, and I received a form from you for mortgage protection. I think you filled it out a while back. Do you remember doing that?
I think I remember doing that when I first started. I know it's not something I'm going to pursue right now, just because I already have enough expenses.
Yeah,
so
I
I'm
understand
not going to
that.
pursue it right now.
Okay, no worries. Is there a time in the future where you would like to get that taken care of?
If you want to check back with me in like 6 months, I'll see if things have changed financially and see if it's something I can manage.
Okay, I'm gonna put a note here in your file for a long-term follow-up, and then I'll give you a call then. But good luck there.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yep. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And that last customer who said it wasn't in the budget right now for the long-term follow-up, I should have still tried to set the appointment and not pressure him into anything. But look, my job is just an underwriter. I'm just here to get you the information, put the information in front of you, and let you make a decision. I'm not here for you to make a decision right then and now. And then once it comes to the appointment, I should have done a budget analysis, so break down his budget and see exactly where he's spending his money, and then see whether he can or can't qualify to be a product during my qualification process. Now, if he couldn't have qualified, then just end the appointment from there. But I should have pressed forward. And just beat that objective. I don't know why when I get on the phone in my head, I know what objections I'm going to have to overcome, but then when I get on the phone, I don't know if something changes. It's weird. Like I don't push back enough, which I'm trying to overcome myself.
Your call has been forwarded.
And sometimes I get in my head about not remembering what our last conversation was. But if I can't remember our last conversation and who I spoke to, they're not going to remember me either. So it's my job to remember what we talked about. I guess just put together what we talked about based on our next conversation and just pick up the phone and dial them.
Hello?
Hey, George. Hey, this is Trey giving you a call back from last week. I spoke to Malin. We spoke about the mortgage protection.
Yeah, but I'm still at work right now.
Okay. When are you off at 3:30 or when?
I have to see how the day goes. We've been wide open all day.
Okay. So.
I'll check in and let you know.
All right. Thanks, George. I'll give you a buzz later.
Hello?
Hey, Augustin.
Speaking.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
Good. How you doing?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I received a form from you and Andrea for mortgage protection. Did you guys get that taken care of?
Yeah, thank you. Can you remove us, please? I'm getting a call like every other day for this.
Oh yeah.
And yeah.
Can I ask a question before you go? Let's go.
Hello?
Hey, Dora.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Trey. How are you today?
I'm wonderful, Trey.
Hey, that's good to hear. So I received a form for you and Eddie for mortgage protection. Did you guys get that taken care of?
For what now?
For mortgage protection, it would pay off your house if either one of you passed away, got disabled, if you got sick.
No. Who referred us?
Let me see here. I'm trying to find the form. I may have just scrolled past it. See if it was handwritten or done online. But let me make sure I have the right person here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, here it is. Your birthday is May 15th?
Yeah, but who filled out the form?
It looks like Eddie's handwriting. If this is your cell phone, I can send you a picture of it. Eddie put his name down as the person of contact.
And that was when?
Let's see here. This looks like it was a while back. It looks like it was at the end of last year.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes my company's slow at getting these forms out just because we've been helping so many families. So that's why I got it so late.
Okay, because he's not here right now. But I would like to discuss that at a later date where we both can be here.
Yep, that's what we like to do as well. Make sure you guys are both together.
That would be on the weekend. So right now, it's such a busy month.
So is Saturdays or Sundays better?
Well, maybe Sunday afternoons, but right now I couldn't tell you what Sunday because I don't know he's working now, so I don't know his, work schedule now.
Okay, no worries. What is he doing for work now?
He's going back to Marta.
Oh,
He's a telephone technician.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm up here in the city of Atlanta, so they're all over the place.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. But, okay, so to save some time for when you guys are together, can I gather some information right now from you?
Well, I tell you what, because I'm on my way out the door, and that's why I answered right then, because I had the phone in my hand. But, I mean, if you could just call back and we just need to book a time so we both can save some time and we can let this do it one time.
Yep. It normally takes, the appointment normally takes 20 minutes, and then if you have questions, sometimes it goes out to 40 minutes or so.
Okay, let's, can't do it the third Sunday. I'm trying to say, well, can't do it this Saturday. Let's try next Saturday morning, which is the what?
Let me check here. So I have the 11th.
Could be the 11th. That's not going to work. They got a baby shower going on here.
Man, you guys are busy. Are you grandparents?
We are great grandparents.
What? You guys are too young for great grandparents. If my grandpa heard that, he would be mad at me.
That's what I say too. I'm too young because I don't have time. Well, we're great grandparents for one great. I think one great grandparents. But I do. How late in the evenings do you all come?
Well, actually, we just do it over the phone or Zoom. Do you know how to do Zoom?
Oh, okay, we can do Zoom.
Yep. So nobody has to come to the house. Nobody has to take anybody's blood or anything like that.
Okay, we can do Zoom. Maybe 6:00 next Tuesday.
Okay, so next Tuesday, let me double check here. The 7th. Is that when you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to put that down on your file here, and I'll check up with you on Monday the 6th to double check, okay?
Okay, and see, we both be here so we can Zoom, and we can, get this taken care of, because I really want to see how much would it be, because we're getting up in age now.
Yeah. Just one last question here. So let me put that down here. So for the 7th of next month, and then did you guys just get a new mortgage for the $60,000, or is that just a refinance or a line of credit?
That's just a line of credit.
Okay, that's what I thought. And how much is your full mortgage?
He usually take care of it, and that's so bad of me, but it's okay. Like 11 or 12 or something like that.
Okay, no worries. But yeah, so I'll put a note down here in your file. I'll give you a buzz Monday evening just to make sure we're good for Tuesday. At Tuesday, you said what time again? I forgot.
At 6.
Okay, yep, I got that here.
Give them a time to get through all the traffic.
Oh yeah, it's been crazy lately.
Yes, and get here and breathe before you call.
Oh yes, of course. But okay, Dora, thank you and have a good rest of your day. Okay.
Thank you, Dan. Okay.
Bye. See, that's a customer right there. Geez, been dialing all day for no customers, and finally, a client, somebody who I can help, who wants the help. Man. Now, hopefully, Tuesdays are normally way far out, so that's why I said I'm gonna call you Monday to see if we can still set you. But finally, somebody said. Much different tonality. Like, you don't have to fight these people. If you're fighting with them, they're not your customer. And then all you have to do is close your appointment with them, make sure it's within their budget, within their means. You don't want to stretch them out and give them something that they can't afford and end up canceling. And then when they pass away, they got nothing to show for. Leave their family into more duress. So hopefully we can get this one closed up. But it sounds like she's done this before because she asked, how late do y'all come out? So she's familiar with agents coming to her home which I'll have to dig in deeper. So since it's so far out, but she sounds like she has her schedule and stuff together. She sounds like she pulled up her calendar right then and there, just because she was ripping off dates that were busy and not busy. So hopefully she puts that in her calendar and we can lock and load.
Hello,
Hey, Keith.
this is.
Hey, this is Trey. I'm an underwriter here in Georgia, and I was giving you a call about a form I received from you. Looks like you filled it out earlier this year for mortgage protection. Did you get that taken care of?
Oh my god, yeah, it's all taken care of, dude. And it's like, I've been blocking these calls, and I'm wondering why you're calling me. Yeah, it's all taken care of, and I don't need any of that, so please delete me from your list.
Hey, yeah, I got you. I'm so sorry that people keep bothering you. Can I ask one question before you go?
Sure.
Do you know if it was the new kind or the old kind? The old kind, you can only get the money if you pass away. New kind, you can get it if you get sick or disabled.
I'm not getting any of it because my realtor and advisor told me that that's not necessary for the way that I paid for my house. So, thanks again and have a good day.
You paid cash? Well, that guy isn't too smart. He's listening to his realtor about insurance. I mean, I don't go ask a car salesman about a house I'm going to go buy. Doesn't make sense. But if you want to take bad advice from the wrong, if you want to take advice from the wrong people, good luck. I'm still going to text him. No matter how you pay for your home, you should still want to protect the asset and the equity.
Hello?
Hey, Jonathan?
Hello?
Hey, Jonathan, this is Trey getting back to you. How was your camping trip or your cabin trip?
Pretty good. Got back. When I get back, Sunday evening. Yeah.
What mountains were you up in?
With Pigeon Forge.
Oh, pretty nice. That's in Tennessee, right?
Yeah, Tennessee. Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty cool. I don't think I've been up there, but up towards Kentucky, stayed in some cabins up there. I love doing that. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you. I know we spoke, what was it, last week or a week before that?
Yeah, we did. I think it was a week prior to, yeah.
So I know we were looking to see what coverage you already had in place. Because I showed you something that I wasn't too sure if it was what you had or where you were at.
All right. Yeah, I can't. Well, I'm in a car. I had to go into the office today. So I am leaving. I'm in the car right now, so I don't have any access to any
Yep, of course.
information. I should be home probably the next. It's gonna take me an hour to get home.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're in Atlanta too. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like the past week, 2 weeks, it's like the car's been driving crazy here, and I don't know what's been going on with traffic lately. It's been wild. But yeah, this is something that you're still.
Yeah, I know we don't come into the office anyway.
Yeah, that's good. But yeah, this is something you still want to get taken care of. Let's line up our schedules. But if not, I completely understand.
Well, I'm all in. I need to check my schedule when I get home. I'm going to know how my schedule's looking this week. I know tomorrow is kind of like a day. And then Thursday is pretty before noon. That noon I have training. Same thing for Friday. Friday training as well. I just got to teach a Sunday class. So.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. I mean, I work pretty unnormal hours, so I'm pretty flexible there. Past like normal 5-6 o'clock. Sometimes my appointments aren't until 8:30 at night, so I'm pretty flexible there. But yeah, at least let's just try to figure out what you have in place first, and then that'll allow me to do my homework. So even if it's just a quick text, that helps me out tremendously. Well, it'll help me save you time, anyways. If I can help you out, or if I can't help you.
Okay.
But okay, drive safe, and then let me know when you get a hold of your current policy, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, I'll look forward this evening after I sign off, and I'll let you know then.
Okay, and thanks, and drive safe. Okay.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye bye. So I tried to pull away from him the best I could, because I mean, we've met with him. He skipped his second appointment. He didn't find his policy that he already had. I made the mistake on our first appointment when he was supposed to have his policy information available. He didn't have it, but I went through the appointment anyways because I felt confident in it. But mistake, I shouldn't have done that. So next time I'll just end the meeting early, like I did with another customer who I did end up selling. So now I'm just having to chase him, and chasing isn't cool. So that's why I tried to pull away to bring that back in. But he said no, he's all in. He wants to get it done. So just lining up schedules this week is going to be the hardest part, essentially. So that's why I told him I'm pretty flexible and can work later in the evening. But so from there, I didn't even know when to follow up with them. I'll also say follow up tonight.